Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Progress 8 bus. It's kind of a Soviet era bus. So there you go. Just put a little glue on all these edges there. If you want to get this bus more heavy, put a bunch of weight in there. And then pay attention to which, it wouldn't really matter, but this one goes in the front, one that has more angle, airflow, whatever. But I don't think most people would tell. Maybe that's that side. But anyways, not that important. As always, look at pictures, reference images to help out with any questions. The next thing is, well, take your clippers and clip away those little sprues on the wheels. Clip, 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 clip. Next, put some glue here and there. Okay, put this tire like that, and that tire like that. Put a little glue there, a little glue there. Put the dualies in the back, obviously. Well, there you have it. There's the Progress 8 bus, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.